new functions have been added in RN 35.1 to perform measurements in the i3DG simulation of iGrind. Measurements points can be placed on the 3D model by holding Alt while selecting a point with the mouse or the touch screen. So if you want to measure a width, a land width, so this is where the measurement points come up, and choose the measurement what you want to make, hold the Alt button and click, and then it tells you it's a 0.8 width and 10 degrees relief. Similarly, if you want to do along the helix, click on the icon and click on here, and it says 0.69 and 8.95, 8.9 release. Now it is not only showing you, displaying the dimension, but if you're going to the measure, it also shows you radial cross section 0.8, edge normal, what is that. So all this dimensioning is available now in Sim3D. Now where is this, the different dimensions or the measurement routines include distance between 2 points, angle formed between 3 points, there is angle formed between 4 points that don't intersect, radius of the cutting edge, there is a radius measurement, land width, angle measured in radial plane. So there are several features, so it allows you to do quick measurements on the machine after you make changes to parameters.